Alright, class, let's talk about starting a diamond mining operation. But before we start digging, it's crucial to conduct a feasibility study. It's like planning a journey before setting off. Step 1. Consult a geologist. First, you need a geologist. They're like experts who help us understand the geology of the area. It's important to know what type of rocks are there, if diamonds are likely to be found, and if it's worth investing in a mining operation. A geologist will conduct a desk study, meaning they'll analyze maps, reports, and other data about the area from the comfort of their office. Step 2. Leverage available resources. Don't forget to use available resources like the National Minerals Agency, NMA. They offer valuable geodata information services that can help with your study. You can find them online at www.nma.gov.sl/geodata information services. And of course, reach out to them for any questions or further support. Step 3. Understanding the geology. Now, let's talk about the geology of the area. This involves studying geological maps, articles about diamond mineralization, and any relevant research on the region. Step 4. Satellite imagery. Satellite imagery, like OpenAI Earth, can be helpful. However, sometimes the images can be blurry, full of clouds, or just not detailed enough. Step 5. Satellite radar studies. For a more detailed view, we can use satellite radar studies. These allow us to create a 3D view from the top, construct detailed contour maps, and identify potential areas for mining. We can also study the path of rivers, which often reveal areas where diamonds may be found. Step 6. Legal and permit requirements. Now, let's talk about the law and permits. You don't want to invest time and money into a mining project only to find that you don't have the necessary permissions. Geologists have experience with prospecting permits, which are non-exclusive. This can be helpful to get started, but you can often save money in the long run by seeking an exclusive exploration permit if possible. Contact the National Minerals Agency, NMA, regional offices for information. And always remember to talk to the village chief, known as the paramount chief. They often have the best information and connections to help you navigate the local laws and customs. Step 7. Understanding land exploitation and fees. Before you start any mining activity, you need to understand how land exploitation works in the area, how to find suitable land, and what fees are involved. For any information related to permits, licenses, and fees, visit the National Minerals Agency, NMA, website at www.nma.gov.sl/license application process. Always cooperate with the landowner and ensure you have all the necessary documents to operate legally. Remember, diamond mining is a complex process that requires careful planning, research, and a good understanding of the laws and regulations. But with the right approach and knowledge, it can be a rewarding endeavor. Alright, class, imagine you're a detective, searching for hidden treasures in a pile of rocks. That's what diamond mining is all about. Let's break down the process, step by step. First, you need a big hopper, like a giant bucket, to dump all the rocks you find. The rocks from the mine are dumped into the hopper, ready for the next step. Next, we use a vibrating feeder to shake the rocks, sending them to a trommel scrubber, which is a spinning drum with holes. The big rocks fall through the holes, while the small rocks fall out, ready for crushing. Now, it's time to crush the rocks. We use a powerful jaw crusher, like a giant pair of jaws, to make them even smaller. The crushed rocks are then shaken on a vibrating screen. The tiny rocks fall through the holes, while the larger ones stay on top. Now, for the exciting part. We use a jig separator, which is like a special bathtub with water. The tiny rocks are mixed with water and shaken, and diamonds, being heavier than most other rocks, sink to the bottom. The lighter rocks go to the top, and we collect the diamonds from the bottom. Remember, diamond mining is a long and complex process. It's not just about finding shiny rocks. It's about using specialized equipment and careful techniques to find the valuable diamonds hidden within the earth. This script emphasizes visual learning by using drawings and clear labels on the whiteboard, making the process more engaging for students.